These hormones. Hello Jane, it seems like you are troubled by your hormones. Who are you? I am Dr. Divedi, a gynecologist, and I will tell you 6 simple steps to balance your hormones naturally. Okay, sure. You need enough sleep. I feel so fresh. Sleep adequately. One needs to sleep 7 to 8 hours every night to ensure that our hormones are functioning normally. When we are sleeping, that is the time our body recovers. If we are awake at midnight, our cortisol levels, which are the stress hormones, which are supposed to be at its lowest, is still very high. And that causes damage to our body in various ways, including disbalancing the hormones. Eat a balanced diet. Take a diet which is well balanced, which has got adequate amount of protein, good quality fat like ghee, avocado, olive oil, which has complex carbohydrate but not simple carbohydrate and processed food. Take lots of green vegetable and fruits which will ensure that our gut bacteria is working properly, and that way it maintains our hormones as well in good order. Exercise regularly. Exercise. There are so many advantages of exercising. It gives you an aesthetic body, that is one, but it increases your happy hormones endorphin, which takes away your stress, and that way your hormones get regulated. You convert your fat to muscles, and that also helps in balancing the hormones. You get a restful sleep, and that also balances the hormones. Stress can play havoc with our hormones. So that is why it is essential for everyone that we find out ways in which we can de-stress ourselves. It can be through meditation, it can be through medication, it can be through exercise, it can be through listening to soulful music, it can be through massages, it can be through any which ways in which you get de-stressed. But you need to find out the way your body is not under the effect of stress, which, as I told you earlier, will disbalance all your hormones. Cut down on alcohol and caffeine. Avoid caffeine and alcohol. These two, when taken in too much of amount, lead to disbalance of hormones. Those who like coffee, they would not like me for this statement, but this is a fact that when taken in too much of amount, caffeine does disbalance the hormones in our body. It can be replaced by healthier options like, say, a turmeric latte or ashwagandha or gurukul kangri chai or other herbal decoctions which are good for health, and at the same time takes away the craving which one gets for having caffeine or such drinks. Avoid toxins. Avoid toxins. There is something called xenoestrogens. These are artificial estrogens which are present in so many things of our day-to-day life, which we consume without even realizing that we are having these artificial hormones. Xenoestrogens have the capacity to disbalance our precariously balanced hormone levels in the body. So xenoestrogens are present in plastic, it is present in pesticide which is used for vegetables and fruit growth. It is also present in parabens, which is so much used in cosmetics. So that is essential that we take care that we are not consuming xenoestrogen without knowing, which would mean that we should replace plastic with glass. We should use cosmetic which is paraben free, and we should try to eat as much as possible organic food which is without pesticides. Thanks, Dr. Kaushiki. I'm a brand new person. You are welcome, Jane. This is just the beginning. You need to work on yourself and find that what all works for your hormonal balance, and keep improving, stay happy and stay healthy. Hormones, here I come.